We're one of the first hospitals in the world to have access to this single-port robotic platform. It's exciting in that it allows us the potential to do surgery with less invasive techniques.
Single-port surgery is cosmetically very nice for the patients in addition to decreased pain if you only have a single incision. It will also allow us to do some natural orifice surgery, which is no incisions.
Da Vinci is ready.
It's one tube that all of the arms go through. Well, it's great for me because as a surgeon who takes care of patients with throat cancers, this is going to allow me the ability to tackle tumors that historically we weren't able to do. So I think it holds great promise for giving our patients better outcomes with less side effects of the treatment.